this video we move to chapter 8, work with PowerPoint. So if you watched earlier the videos already, congratulations to your achievement until now. So if we come to our mind map, if I can open here so that you can know the sequence we have done. So you must already go through the basic of Python, and then we come to the use Python in Office, and we have quite a lot discussion using the OpenPyXL for Excel, and then the Python docx for Word. So that is a very the intensive the chapters we have done. So and I hope you have a good memory and experience on how you can handle Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word through Python using this introduced library. From today, we move to the PowerPoint. So there's 10 sub-chapter, but you may see some chapters are similar because when we in the Word, actually we have 17.7 talking about unit of length. Within the PowerPoint, we also have our similar the chapter talking about length, and then this we have talk about the insert chart table in Excel. Similar in PowerPoint, we have the chart and the table, and we are talking about a lot of the text. So that is the in the Word is document tool. So that is in PowerPoint. You can also handle chart, but the one specific part for PowerPoint is the placeholder concept. We will talk this quite a lot. Actually, frankly speaking, is to myself, I use PowerPoint quite a long time, but I'm not using placeholder too often. So through this this chapter, I also hope to learn some the key concept and the usage of this placeholder. And then we can also try to compare with Excel. Word is about the hierarchy. So within Excel, we have roughly 3 layers of hierarchy. Top level is the workbook. And then within workbook, you have one or many worksheet. Within worksheet, you have the cell. And several cells is formed range, and the cell is in the row and the column parts. Moving to Word is the top level is a document. And within the document, you have a paragraph. And within paragraph, you have run. And within run, you have text. And at the same time, is the parallel to the paragraph is under one documents, you have several sections because when we're talking about the style, we talk style in Excel, we then talk about style in Word. That is the style is applied primarily to the section level. Some styles you can put that to the paragraph level, even to the run level, but this document related style like page setup or related alignment you can apply to header footer, you can apply to the section level. So that is the one special hierarchy layer for Word. Coming to PowerPoint. PowerPoint is the slides the tool. So top level definitely is the file, or you can also talk about as the document. We see that how we use that in Python. And within the PowerPoint file or document, you have the section level and you have the slide. And within slide, you have the shape, or we see the text, the chart, tables, pictures, and then you can you mean have the master slides that have this placeholder concept. So to form the slides, you have some special the arrangements according for the those class and object. So for today, let's focus on to understand using which tool or which library we will handle the PowerPoint in Python. Its code is a Python-pptx. So that's similar to Python-docx. And then we use a few demo to try how you can open and save our PowerPoint documents. So let's see from here. Actually, this cover page is built by our PowerPoint as well. So let me close this so that we can have the empty PowerPoint file. So let's close our earlier document, the files. So we already finished the 7. Now we come to the PowerPoint, the chapter 8. Let's go to the save, open, create a folder. So let's see the what we have the hierarchy. So go to the open, save, PowerPoint. So for the chapter, the 1 is no different. It's using, we just need to install this pptx. So let's go to our folder. So let's use this pip. So you can also use, if you have the Python 3, you have the pip 3. So install Python pptx. So I have this installed now. So I didn't install this before. So then this you have this freeze. Then you have the list. So after you install, you can check is the version. So I installed this 0623. So you can also get this through this installation log. So from the naming, you may consider is that is focused on the pptx, the latest extension. The old version of PowerPoint in Microsoft is you use also the ppt, the extension. So similar to doc to docx, xls to XLSX. So then we, in the next sub-chapter, we will talk about how, if you have an old PPT extension, how you can convert to the PPTX. So that is coming from the this 8.1, the 8.2 chapter. So let's starting to do our the demos. So we have this 8.2.1 is create and save. So first is we create and save pptx. Let's use this using a Python, the py. So now you may familiar is we have quite a lot is for reason for the word is from docx in import document. Now is the document of file talking here is called as the presentation. So that is our top level. So let's try to remember these 3 lines. We will use this quite a lot in the following chapters. So from pptx, our library, we import the presentation. Then this we will put this ppt equal assigned by the presentation in the instance. Then we will use the ppt.save. So we will save to here. So let's not do, yeah. Let's save is 8.1.21.pptx. So let's comment this first, because you can run and you can see the current folder. So let's go to our folder. So part 2, you remember is better come to your current working folder. So 8.2.1. Oh, so 8.2. So yeah, so that is my working folder. Then you can try to run is in this working folder. Then from now on is you can save your document in this same folder. So let's start to open. So we come to here, the chapter 8 now. From here, you have our PowerPoint file install. Create. So this is the empty one. So, but the empty one, you already have this blank page. Actually, this is not our page because here is no page created. Just our fully empty presentation file. Only if you click here, you are creating our new file. So a new page or new slide in PowerPoint term. So when you have this, then very easy. So we have these three. So then is if we want to open a file. So for example, is I want to copy. So I have maybe it's I go to any. So let's copy one file from here. So within this chapter. So I have this our cover page. So if I copy this first, is to here. So or maybe it's let's just click, and this is one test PT. So let me save this as 2. So I have this one create, and what you have to do is let's create a new file, open presentation py. So definitely you need to load the PPTX import presentation, and then directly is we assign the this variable is the presentation with our 822.pptx. Ensure is the PPTX since we are not yet the get those files, the old versions. So we have opened this. Let's make this a print type PPT. So let's see. So you can see here. So we have this PPT. So print len PPT. Let's see. Do we have the shiny? No. So PPT dot. Let's see whether this is working. No. So let's later to learn how we can see how many pages within the PPT. So, but at least you can see here from you can only need to remember. So you can use type to check the this object type. And then for this PPT to PPTX, so let's open this, and then let's save I stays to 8.3, and I save that to our old version 97 to 2003. So let me save. So it's coming to our PPT, and then let's open, create our new file. So 823 PPT to PPTX. So first is again we are not using the PPTX part. We use this Win32com because this is we use this already for Excel and Word. So we gave this app is clan.dispatch. Now we need to open the PowerPoint app. Yeah, let's just use the small p to have our check. I suppose they here has the extend the case sensitive display alerts. So we don't need to let this show the alerts. So let's run this to see whether we have the error. Yeah, looks like it's PowerPoint is accepted. Let's see. So, and the PPT is I use this presentation open. So this open not by the our Python -PPTX. It's open by this Win32com. and then we open this our R. Oh, so no need this R because we just use R. I think it's we need. Let's to have a look. Is because they need our the absolute folder. So let's see. So and with window false. Let's run. So you can see here. Let's read the arrow. So line 7 and with window presentation exception, but they don't give you too much the meaning of this. But we know here is actually these are these are the path issue. So let me use this absolute part. But using that is you can use this backslash. But using that backslash, you need to have this R first. So let's open this again. Yeah, from here you can see there's no arrow pop up. So that's perfect. You can ignore those arrows. Let's continue. So ppt dot, that means we open this ppt. And then what we need to do is just like so you open by PowerPoint and save as to our another the version, another extension. So I put this and save to the 823.pptx, and then ensure is you load this close command and quit app. So remember, I still have this small p. Let's run to see whether it's generated. So that means this PowerPoint is accept both capital P or the non-capital P. So let's see, 8, this one. And they have our version. So let's see the info. So PowerPoint, and this is our test. And where is so we can read. So no much additional things, I think. So history. So and if I open the old one, info compatible. So this indeed is our old version of the extension. So they ask you to save as. So what we have done by code is just the same as here. You save as and you choose the PPTX, then OK. So from here is quite the simple. So I hope is we have give you some the beginning the tactic. Please ensure you install this Python-pptx the library correctly and try this the simple step. Then from the next video, we first discuss about the length of unit to see is I don't think it will be big difference to the Word, the chapter 7.7. But let's have a look for that. Then we starting to deal with the slides in more detail. See you then.